Okay, today our topic is basically AWS CLI. Where is AWS CLI? Yes, this one. Okay, so do you hear about AWS CLI? What is the AWS CLI?
Yeah, like a console or something like that,
Yeah,
command line.
it's a console, and you can create the resources through the console. But how can we create? And I will guide you, and I will give you some commands, and also I will give you some tips, and then you can create, and you just also. But this is the alternate of the GUI. But mostly famous is GUI, and mostly famous GUI, and also the Terraform. These two methods
Okay.
are very popular for to create the resources and provisioning the resources, EC2 instance and everything. But this is also some people, just programmer and DevOps engineer and cloud engineer also use this one. This is also one of the best tools. Okay, so what the requirement? Okay, if you want to use console, then what is the requirement? First, you need to download and install AWS CLI on Windows based, just Windows. Install the Windows.
Okay.
So how can you just find this one? So just go to the AWS CLI download. Okay, first of all, just go to this link. This is install and update to latest version of the AWS CLI. Okay, if you are using Windows, all the options available here. But if you want to use the Windows, all the options means Linux option available, Mac OS available, Windows available. But right now I'm using Windows, and maybe you are using Windows. So just select on the Windows, and then select and just download this file. Okay, it's very simple. Just download this one. AWS, just click on it, and it will download automatically in your folder. And then just like all the files, just click on exe file, and it will install on your PC. Simple. And then after the installation, you just click on CMD. This is basically you can check if you are. But right now I have already installed my PC. My PC already installed. So I am just first. If you want to check the your EC2, just EC2 install configure or not. Okay, if you want to check, then you can use this command. The command is AWS and then hyphen version. You always use this command, and you can see the version 2.17 and 2.225 Python 3. This is the basically AWS version already installed. But if you want to be, right now in my computer is already configured, but if you need to configure, first you just install the AWS CLI, and then this command is very important. You can start from basic. This command is first one, AWS configure. Okay, so just use AWS configure. So you need secret key and access key. Okay, right now I need a AWS access key and secret key. If I just issue this command AWS configure after the installation, so how can create the this secret key? So we need here, if you want to use AWS CLI, then you just go to the IAM, identity access management, and then can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. I can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you. my second Wi-Fi. Where is my second Wi-Fi? Okay,
Right, like
so yes, this is the IAM dashboard, and if you want to first of all, just create the user. Okay, just create the user, and this time just put the name here. I want to create admin, and it's up to you. You can directly go with next, but if you want to provide the management console, then click here, and then just click on next and identity manager. And if you want to give the all the detail, then you can also just you can use this one also. If you do not go this one, then just click on next, and just for in AI tool, you just assign directly from here also. Okay, just go to the attach policy directly, but you need here only the administrator access. Just give the administrator access and next. Okay, this simple way, just create the user. Once your user is created, then just go inside the user, and then create security credential. Just click on security credential, and then scroll down and create access key, and then command line interface, and then I understand and next. Okay, just put the description and create access. And now this is the key and secret key. If you want to download, then just download. It's download in your download folder. And in my case, I have already created. And then these two options. First, the access key ID, and another one is secret key access. Okay, both. If when you just both provide, then the default region US, but it's up to you which region you want to log in. It's up to you. It's variable. Okay, and here I just mentioned US East 1. It means it's North Virginia. Okay, but you can set anything. But default output format JSON. But table and another option is also available, but JSON is a good format. Okay, first you just complete this process. When you just complete this process, then you can access your resources, you can create your resources, you can get help, and you can use the commands. So first command, right now I already use all the things, so just I am using which command? AWS. I already configure the access key, secret key, and default region also, and I just put the my output format JSON. Okay, so I am just directly use this command. If you want to apply the commands on the AWS, then always type first AWS. Okay, then which resource you want to hit. So right now we are just using EC2 related commands, but we know the EC2, but we do not know about other things. Then you always use help. Okay, if you do not know the command, then type yes. Then you can see here the detail. Okay, I'm just going to. Okay, now you can see there is a command. Okay, many commands available. You can apply these commands, but it's your responsibility. You can see all the commands one by one. There are a lot of commands here related EC2 instances. If you just remember these commands, memorize them, then it's good. But if you want to just reference, then it's up to you. But now we just scroll down and just check which command I just use. For the example, if you want to check the describe the instances there, right now we do not any resources here, so just create any resource here and check the description through the. I'm going to create one EC2 instance. This is basically AWS CLI. Okay, and I'm just going to create AWS CLI and T2 micro I'm using the key, ISEC key, and just keep default. Launch stars. Okay, now my EC2 instance is just launching. And if I just use this command, then it will show me detail about the EC2 instances. Okay, AWS EC2 describe instance. If I just put this command, AWS EC2 describe instances, just click here, and it could not connect to the endpoint because this machine is not ready. Okay, we can use another S3. If we want to check the S3, then S3 ls. After few seconds, we can see this command again, S3 ls. There's no any ls available here. Could not be connected to endpoint because there's no any command here right now. And if you want to start command, then you can provide the ID and you can connect. And but right now I think now almost my EC2 instance is ready. It's initializing. Okay, and if you want to use these commands, then always AWS, and then if you want to check about the EC2, then help. You can see, oh sorry, I just used the wrong. Now help, you can see all the commands here. Okay, and if you want to AWS, if you want to S3, then help again. You can see all the commands here, and you can check order to path argument, CP, MV, RM. You can check here, and also use and study about other things also. But again, it's your responsibility. You just research these things and you can easily use. Okay, the few commands I just check here. And if you want to use the AWS bucket name, your bucket name, if you are okay, one more thing. Right now, just check. Yes, now it's checked. Now, if you just go to check about the EC2 description, then copy and check the description. Could not connect to the endpoint URL. It's not connected. AWS configure. Okay, I need a password. Just go to the. I need a password, so just go to the. Also download it. Okay, this is the access key and secret key. Just copy. Secret key. Region is my region is which region? Just check. This is my region. US. Copy. And the format JSON. Okay, default format is, and now AWS is true. AWS EC2 description. Yes, now you can check the detail. So which thing, just public IP is 100.24.64.20. This is the public IP. Now you can verify what is the public IP of this EC2 instance. Just go inside. Yes, 124.64.205. This is the same EC2 instance. Okay, everything available in the code, JSON code. All the resources of the EC2 instance. But if you want to check but S3 bucket you can use yourself. Okay, I will give you the practical, then you can use your also. Okay, so but this is the method. How can you just check the things? And if you want to create this one right now is my EC2 instance ID. Just check the ID. EC2 instance ID is this one. But right now, just confirm which is the ID. This one is just ID. So ID, just copy this ID and paste here. Okay, now paste here also and paste. Now just check the command. So I want to stop this EC2 instance. Okay, this is the ID. So just copy, and I hope you understand. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, yes, of course.
Yeah, simple, straightforward. Just use now just stop this, and now check the your EC2 instance.
This is like Terraform.
Not here. Yeah, it's like just like Terraform, but Terraform and this is a big difference. But now just check is stopping, and syntax are also different. And now if you want to start again, then yeah, the same this ID. Copy and okay, now start again. Okay, now just go to the refresh. It's pending. It means it's restarting. Okay, I hope you understand the concept. And now you can create the resources. You can create the S3 bucket. But in your practical, you just create S3 bucket and also EC2 instance. Just first you need to create S3 bucket and EC2 instance, and then operate and use the commands and everything. But first of all, you just download and configure the CLI on your Windows machine. Okay, I'm just giving you the console and just complete your job. It's very important because every company and every interviewer asks about this. You have experience on the AWS console. Every company asked about this question. That's why I just in this one. So I'm just going to stop my sharing and just